Nilight 2PCS 18W 1260lm Spot Driving Fog Light. Nilight 2PCS 18W 1260lm Spot Driving Fog Light is a high-quality product that offers exceptional performance and durability. Designed by Nilight, a trusted brand in the industry, this fog light is a must-have for all types of vehicles. One of the standout features of this product is its impressive brightness. With a wattage of 18 watts and a luminous flux of 1260 lm, these fog lights provide excellent visibility even in the harshest weather conditions. Whether you're driving in foggy, rainy, or snowy conditions, these lights will ensure that you can see and be seen on the road. The waterproof feature of the Nilight 2PCS 18W fog lights sets them apart from other products on the market. You can rest assured that these lights will continue to function flawlessly, even when exposed to water or heavy moisture. This is particularly important for off-road enthusiasts or those who frequently drive in challenging environments.